How do you fix Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered is crashing? So first you want to right-click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now in the General tab, you will need to add -DX11 or you can try -DX10 if the game doesn't launch. And then you want to go to Installed Files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this process is completed, you can close Steam and then you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from here, you want to install the 86 and the 64 installers for the redistributables. Once you finish this, it will require computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need this NVIDIA app to download and install the latest available drivers. Otherwise, you might need the AMD software if you're running AMD. And once you've installed the update, now all you need to do is right-click on Steam, run it as admin, and then just launch the game from the library. This should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.